How would you like to monetize ChatGPT with 7 different methods that are going to blow your mind? If that sounds interesting to you, stay with me. I think you're going to love what I have to tell you in my review of Time for Chat. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man of the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can't pull successfully. Well, I mean by Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
Now, if you are new to the chat, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead. My jokes, they are bad. They're still, I get it, but I tell the same jokes all the time. You'd think I would learn, you know? Like Bart or his friends who keep talking about crap. They don't learn. I don't learn either. You know what? I probably get what I deserve then when you know who is about to say, well, you know what, if you know what I mean. Of course, if you're new to the channel, you wouldn't have any clue what I'm talking about. And you're probably thinking I'm a crazy person here on the internet, which maybe you'll watch anyway and try to figure out what's going on. But anyway, if you are new, what I do here is 2 things: review software and info products to make money on my niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. Let's make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Quiet, boy.
Bart, I was just talking about you. I was telling these fine people about how you are constantly saying the same thing over and over and over again. Can't you get a new line? I know I need some new lines, but you need them too. This guy drives me crazy. For years now, he's been doing this to my videos. He jumps in and talks about crap. Bart, it's enough. But seriously, if you are the way these work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, good luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. And I see Liz, she also says things every single time, you know, and I probably should get annoyed with her also like I get annoyed with Bart, but she's so sweet, so who can get angry at her? Anyway, seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so looking right now at the sales page for Time for Chat. This is my friend Dawood Islam. Now, Dawood is one of the biggest names in the make money online industry. He's basically figured out a bunch of ways to monetize ChatGPT. He's going to share 5 different methods for you. Now, by the way, you can get these things for just $9.95. Basically, all you're going to do is try to exit, and you see it's going to offer you a discount price. You're going to click on that for the discount price. You're going to give it to you for just $7.95. Excuse me, not $9.95, $7.95. Okay, but anyway, let's go straight into the main training session. You can see here there are 5 different methods. Now, I don't want to share exactly what they are. Instead, what I am going to tell you is what my bonus is, because I just created 2 brand new videos that I'm going to give you full PLR rights to both videos. That means you can sell them, get them away, use them as your own bonus. These are really, really going to be valuable for you. And I don't know if anybody's actually done something like this before. So the first one, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to create simple software as a service products. What does that mean, software as a service? That means online software. You know, people create all these kind of little apps, these online apps. You can actually use ChatGPT directly to create online apps. So you have to know exactly what to tell it, because there's very specific things you need to tell it in order to do it. And then you got to know what to do with the code, which I'm going to show you in my video, exactly what you do, how to tell it to generate the correct code. Because when I first tried doing this, it didn't generate the kind of code that I needed. And even when you do, it sometimes messes things up. So sometimes to regenerate it, I show you step by step exactly what I do and the details of what I need, what you need to do in order to make it work. And I show you that it works. And then I show you how to take this code and actually publish it onto a website using completely free tools. You want to pay a single penny to do this. It's very, very cool stuff. And you can actually create simple software as a service products. You can sell these as your own products, by the way, or you can go ahead and you can offer this as a service to somebody else. You know, that you'll create simple software as a service products that you can actually make for people, and you can just use ChatGPT to create the actual code. It's actually capable of writing code, but again, you have to know how to do it. If you don't know what you're doing, you're not going to create anything useful. You need to know exactly what to tell it And that's what you're getting in my video. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. The other thing I'm going to give you as my custom bonus, which is very, very cool, because that was going to teach you, for example, one thing he's going to teach you is making blog posts in ChatGPT. Of course, this is one of the most common uses of ChatGPT. But what if you could actually take a blog post you create with ChatGPT and turn it into a professional quality YouTube video? And when I say professional YouTube video, I don't mean you have to sit there narrating it. I mean that you literally click a few buttons and you're automatically going to generate a video for YouTube. There's a few different websites that are going to be involved in this, and it's very, very important to use the ones I recommend using. And the reason is because while there's a lot of tools that can do this, a lot of them are going to make it sound robotic, and that's going to get you demonetized on YouTube. They probably won't shut your channel down, but if you're only creating automated videos that sound robotic, YouTube can tell that they sound robotic, and they're not going to monetize your channel. If you want to monetize channel, what you want to do is create stuff that sounds like a person made it. And in order to do that, you need to use the tools that I'm recommending that you use. So you're going to use ChatGPT. I'll show you doing that. That's pretty simple stuff. Most people by now know how to use ChatGPT in order to make a blog post. If you don't, that was going to teach you how to do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to take a couple of other online tools that are either free or very inexpensive, and you're going to take those and actually go ahead and create automated videos that sound like a person made them. You're going to be able to upload these to YouTube in minutes and just keep churning them out over and over and over again using these automated tools. Now, I am going to give you a free option as well. The free option is going to take you a little bit longer to do. Okay, there's one option I'm going to give you that's completely for free. You won't spend any money on it whatsoever. It's just going to take you a little bit longer because there's a bit more manual work involved in order to actually make it happen. Or you can go ahead and use the automated version. The automated version is going to cost you a very small amount of money, but it will cost you something just because of the fact that we're using one tool that is paid. It does come with a free trial, but it is a paid tool if you want the completely automated version. If you want somewhat automated, I'm going to give you the tools to do it manually. And again, you're going to need those tools in order to do this manually as well. You're not going to be able to do it just right off the bat. You're going to need something that I'm going to give you for free. I'm going to give you basically a set of video clips that you can copy and paste into this tool, into the software tool. The software you can get for free, but you're going to need the video clips which you can't get for free. That's going to be available with my custom bonus. So, and of course, you can see here the members area for this. You have 5 different money-making methods that you can actually go ahead and use. I've checked them all out. They're all really, really nice, easy to use methods for ChatGPT. The ones I'm giving you are just, I think, next level ChatGPT methods, because a lot of people are now generating blogs and generating content using ChatGPT. And what I'm giving you is going to give you something that is completely unique that most people aren't doing yet, that you can do with ChatGPT, which is going to be very, very awesome stuff. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, okay, you the man. This is awesome stuff. I really like this. And for $7.95, it's a bargain. Grab this one. You are absolutely going to love this.